Okay, we have a fish on. Tom is reeling in. Hopefully he can get it in the boat. We'll see. Looks like it's fighting pretty good. Tom is freaking out. How you feeling, Tom? All right. Just turned around when this fish hit.
Yeah, I think you got different species than me.
Yeah.
Oh, is that a cuda?
Oh, looks like it.
Nice. Woo! Oh, you got a big cuda! No, that's the cool one. That's the one I saw back in Rio years ago. Finally grew up.
All right.
Dad, you got the cool one. Nice.
But you got the bigger one.
You got the cool one. I wanted. That's my first ocean fish, man. I grew up fishing in the Midwest of the United States.
Okay.
All sorts of stuff.
Whoa. Gotta be careful of waves, guys.
That's my first ocean fish, man. I always let him catch.
So that was a Barracuda.
He's never caught.
Tom just caught. I am up next, so we'll see if we can get one more bite. Bring it on. Oh, the other rod, Dad. What? Hold it. All right. Okay, I got both of you guys. I got both you guys. I got both you guys. All right, we got two. We got two on. Dipshoe and Luke. And we got Crazy. Ball three go. I don't know who's gonna get a video. We got two.
Oh, it's a big. Oh. I got tuna stuff down here. It's all blue. I mean, there's some water. Nah, they got tuna. This one's fighting hard.
We got two on right now. Whoa, who's that?
What is that? Is that tarpon? Oh, you got a tarpon!
Nice and easy. All right, Dan. All right, here comes Dan. Look at that! That's a big Barracuda, Dan.
Oh, yeah. Yours is like yellowish. Oh, no. That was his.
All right, keep going, Luke. You doing all right?
Slightly bigger.
All right, you're on. Luke's still going. Woo!
Mine's big, Dad.
Want you sit down now?
Yeah, why don't you sit down and see?
All right, I guess they're biting, guys. Here we go.
Mine's big.
You put in that whole thing, Luke? Big. It's like I don't know, he's bigger. 41. All right, Dan. Well, it's gotten crazy and exciting so far. It's heating up, boys. Let's catch a bigger one. Another one already. This is like 2 minutes later. And wow. And another one. Well, I think it's my turn. Luke just snaked my spot. That one's mine, Luke. It's a piranha. It might be on. Okay. It might be just a second. Yeah, it's on. Do I still have to hit the button? The top right button is not on. What's it? It's counting up. It's red and it's counting up. 22 seconds right now. You got him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Flounder?
No, I think it's another Barracuda.
Barracuda, they like shine too. Must be the water.
Must be the water.
Fishing with dip shoe.
Alright.
Woo! Is that our limit?
Yeah, nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that. One's fighting. Those Barracudas. Okay, number of fish number 8 is on. Tom is bringing it in. See what happens. It was in the center rod. Looks like another cuda, a small little baby. I don't know if it's a cuda.
Another one.
All right. Hopefully next time you see me, I'm sitting in that chair, reeling it in. Alright, so the last, that's probably 20 minutes is when we had all, about to hit a school of Barracudas or something. Hoping there's still a few more out there, and hopefully a bigger one. We shall see. Lucas claimed he caught the biggest one, even though he doesn't know. That's how it is. Okay. Still fun.
I got it.
Okay.
Dip shoot here. Dan has got a fish.
Go Dan.
I'm thinking it's another cuda since we're on the school of them. Could be a wahoo. Oh shoot, that's
What?
me.
All right, 2 on again. We hit the Barracuda channel again. Everybody's got one.
Oh, it's not on, never mind.
Okay. Did you still got his?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at him go.
Another cuda. I think he's still on.
Oh yeah, bigger than yours. Look at him. Yeah, he is. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
Woo. Nice. Hey, that was a fighter. It was on the side of the boat, which made me fought a little bit harder. Woo. But it was big. If not the biggest one, tied for the biggest one. All right, less than 2 hours in, and we each caught 3 fish. A total of 4-hour fishing excursion. So we'll see if we can do any better. My name is Dipshoe. Watch my YouTube channel.